Hi all, welcome back to my channel pyspark. So it's been a long time. I have not been creating any videos because I was busy with some of the other stuffs. I joined new company ThoughtWorks, as you all know. So, and I also got too many calls on top me regarding how can you practice PySpark questions, or like where can we get real-time interview questions. So recently I discovered one of the platform where we can practice this PySpark questions. Where it is like some of the questions are available for free or some are paid. So this is one of the platform. Start a scratch. You can Google it or you can Bing it. Okay, so you can just click on it. I've already clicked on it, and so you can create a profile. I've already created, so it is logged in. So you can just click on it. There will be create a profile login option will be coming, so you can click on login and you can create your profile and you can start practicing for your interviews. So let us solve one of the question also, since I have created this video. So I will be solving one of the questions. This is finding user purchases. Okay, and this is the question from write a query, and that will identify returning active users. A returning active user in a user that has made a second purchase within 7 days of any of their purchases. Output the list of user IDs of this returning active users. So we can see this is the table structure. We can see the expected output also, and there's hint section also, like if you are stuck anywhere any point of time, so you can take hints also. So from this question, this was asked in Amazon. Okay, this is in December 2020. All the things are given, and this is a medium level of question. And well, let us try to solve this. So what the expected output is user ID. Okay, and the table structure is, as you can we can preview the table also. So this is like user ID is the ID is here, then user ID is here, then the item and created date and revenue. So what I can see, uh, like this is the table and this is the created date. So we need to get a date difference. And look, what I can understand from this question, returning the active users like within the 7 days. So we need to group by, or we can partition by with the user ID, and create one more a column such as previous date, and we need to calculate the date difference out of it. So let us start the question. So first let us import the window function. So from pyspark dot window, import window. Okay, also we can import all the functions. Yeah, import. Let us run this first. So let us see, like if any if I misplaced anything. Nothing. So yeah, it is correct. So first let us create our window specification. What window specification we can create? Let us check the table structure. So we can do partition by on user ID. Window dot partition by on user ID. This we can do, and then we can do order by on created date. Created at. Sorry, it is created at. Let me just copy this column name. This will be much easy. Okay, so I've copied and pasted it. So this is a simple window specification I've created here, nothing much fancy. And this is the data frame that the platform already provided. It is already created within the internals of this platform. So we can use this. I can just show you also. Let me show this. So 10, and I will just run this code, and we can see like first 10 rows will be here. Yeah. So we can see that this is a data frame which is already created by the platform for us. Okay, so we only need to uh, do all the transformation and all. So what I want one more column, right? So let me name this column as previous purchase. Okay, this is the column which I want, and how I want. This can be as f dot lag of created at dot over, and I will pass the window spec here. Okay, now let us see the output also, how the output is coming. It is very good platform. Actually, we can see the output also. So our output is coming perfectly since we have order by create a date and partition by user ID. The first will be null because there's nothing above it, right? This is coming here. This is coming here, exactly what we wanted. Now what we want the date difference so that we can get we can filter out the rows which are more than 7. So again I will be creating one more column. Transaction is equal to transaction dot with column, as we can get a days or date difference. Function will be same. So f dot date difference, date diff is the function name, and I will be using f dot call will be created at, and the other one will be previous purchase. We'll just copy the name from here. So yeah, so I think this is it. We have created the structure for the question, and just we need to filter out. I will just again check the output, right? I will just again run and check the output to check if any syntax or anything I have made. Okay, so we have made this and it is okay, it is coming fine. So now what we want the users, which is so directly I will do all the functions here. So I will be filtering out the user where the date diff is greater is less than 7, right? Is less than 7, and I will be just selecting the user ID. As it is mentioned in the question, we only want the user ID. You can see the expected output here, it only wanted the user ID. And also I will be doing the distinct, as there can be multiple purchases and the difference can be less than 7. So this is it. I will assign this as this value and I will run the code. So you can see our output is matching 100 103. So sample output it has given. I already solved this question, so it is coming as solved, but again we can check this and it will say the execution time and your solution. So it is all coming in green. If any if any rows will not match, so it will be highlighting as red. So we can show what error we can make. So this is a very good platform that I have found, uh, and there are many questions, where can we solve such questions. So let us go back to questions and we can also see how many questions are there. I will just filter pyspark and free questions. So you can see there are ton of questions you can solve, right? A lot of hard, easy, medium. Like there are a lot of questions. Even if we count, like in one page, if there are almost 20 questions, there are like 40 questions, right? So if you are able to solve this 40 questions, it is a lot of questions to solve, right? And also, like I'm also having a lot of questions in my playlist, so you can definitely watch them, and I will be posting more questions. So in the meantime, you can watch this video, and you can also practice this in this platform, start a scratch. I will try to solve a lot of all the questions here, and I will try to create a video. So thank you, that's all for this video. Please subscribe, comment, and let me know your views. And definitely I'm trying to create this video since I'm like currently working from home. So I just, a few days back, I'm free from all the stuff, so I will be creating a lot of videos for you all. Just keep supporting. Thank you.